filmmaker and actor Anurag Kashyap has issued an apology on Friday night following a controversial remark that he made about the Brahmin community, which drew sharp criticism amid the ongoing row surrounding the upcoming film Phule. Taking to his Instagram, Anurag Kashyap posted a detailed note addressing the backlash and clarifying his position. While he stood by the essence of his original statement, he expressed regret over a specific line that he said had been taken out of context. The director stressed that no comment or post was worth the safety of one's family and loved ones. He wrote on his Instagram post, and I'm going to quote him here, that this is my apology, not for my post, but for that one line taken out of context and the brewing hatred. No action or speech is worth your daughter, family, friends and colleagues receiving rape and death threats from the so-called torchbearers of Sanskar. What has been said cannot be unsaid, and I won't take it back, but if you want to direct abuse, direct it at me. My family has not said a word and never speaks out. So if an apology is what you are looking for, then this is my apology. Now let's also speak about how exactly the controversy was erupted. It triggered earlier in the day when Kashyap responded to a social media user who commented, and I'm going to quote the user's line here, that Brahmins are your fathers, the more you mess with them, the more they will burn you. In reply to which Anurag Kashyap said, and I'm going to quote the statement Anurag said, that I will urinate on Brahmins, any problem. The statement then led to a widespread outrage with several organizations demanding action. The backlash also coincides with growing tensions around the film Phule, a biopic based on the lives of social reformers Jyoti Rao and Savitribai Phule. Originally scheduled to release on April 11, the film faced objections from groups including the Akhil Bharatiya Brahmin Samaj and Parshuram Arthik Vikas Mahamandal, who raised several concerns about the film's content. The Central Board of Film Certification suggested several modifications in it, which the makers have since incorporated. Phule is now going to hit the theatres on April 25th.